I have the Pixel 8 here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install the first official beta release of Android 16. Google has moved the Android 16 update past the initial development phase, where you could only try it out if you wanted to manually flash the firmware yourself. Now that they've received some initial feedback, the company is ready to make it available via the Android beta program. This means that you can now opt in via a dedicated website provided by Google and then simply install the over-the-air update like you normally would. As a word of warning though, if you ever need to immediately leave the program, possibly due to a bug or something else that you have an issue with, then you will need to wipe all of the data from your phone. However, if you do wait long enough, then you can opt out of this program when the new update is released as a stable build. To begin, you will first need to visit the landing page for the Android beta program. This can be done directly on your phone by bringing up the website google.com/android/beta. From here, you're going to log into your account, and then you'll see a View Eligible Devices section that you can scroll right to. Once you're at this page, scroll all the way down to the Eligible Devices section, and then look for your Google Pixel device in this list. Your phone must be signed into the same Google account that you use on this page for it to show up here. Then you're going to need to tap on the blue opt-in button next to the device that you want to install the Android 16 beta on. You can see I've already done that for my Pixel 8 here. So with that done, we minimize this page and then open up our settings application. Now we scroll through this list until we can tap on the System menu. And then from here, we're going to tap on the Software Update section. You should see a menu here labeled System Update. So go ahead and tap on that. And here you can check to see if you are eligible for the over-the-air update to the Android 16 Beta 1. Google will tell you that it may take some time after opting into the program before you see this over-the-air update option. However, I have found that the new update is almost immediately available after you opt in. So you can manually tap the Check Now button at the bottom of this page if you need to, and then we're going to confirm that we want to download and install Android 16 Beta on your Google Pixel hardware. It will take some time for the firmware to be downloaded, and then it will be installed in the background. So we're just going to wait patiently, and I'll go ahead and cut this video so we can speed up to the installation and reboot part. Now that the Android 16 Beta 1 update has been downloaded, the Pixel 8 installed the update in the background, and after it went through the optimizing apps process, we then get a Restart Now button. So let's go ahead and tap on that so that the smartphone will reboot and then switch us over to the new beta release. We have not lost any of our data, so we're not going to be going through the Android activation process. Instead, it's going to boot us right back into Android and directly to our lock screen that we're familiar with. So now we can unlock the device. You can see that it's going to be finishing that system update. And then we get the Android beta program prompt. You can even double check to make sure you are on the Android 16 Beta 1 update by finding the Android version menu within the About Phone section and look to make sure that it says Baklava right there. The Android beta program makes it very easy for any eligible Google Pixel smartphone or tablet to test out the latest beta update. As of right now, you will need a phone in the Pixel 6 series, Pixel 7 series, Pixel 8 series, Pixel 9 series, a Pixel Fold, or the Pixel tablet in order to use that website. If you ever need to immediately leave the program, again, possibly due to a bug or some other issue that you're having, then that will cause you to wipe all of the data from your device. And you can use the Android Flash tool to do that. However, if you wait long enough, then you can opt out of the beta program from that website when the new update is released as a stable build. And then you will no longer be receiving those beta firmware updates. So please let me know if you have run into any issues following this guide so I can see if I'm able to help out. And do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android tips like this.